Hey my friend, what's happening? This is Michael de la Cruz, and if you're looking to work from home or looking for jobs that you can actually work from the comfort of your home, in this video I'm going to share with you some work at home jobs that pay hourly in 2019. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So let's go ahead and get right to it. If this is your first time, before I continue, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. That way you don't miss out on any of my coming videos. I teach people about entrepreneurship and make money online and work from home. Those are the type of stuff that I highly share. That's because I'm able to do that from the comfort of my home, right? I'm able to be with my wife. I'm able to be there for my loved ones. I'm able to do things, exactly from the comfort of my home and just be there for my loved ones. Because of that, I'm passionate about sharing other people how to do it. So if you're jobless right now, you have, some spare time, you just want to earn extra income, just, stay on this video, watch it all the way through the end because I'm going to be sharing a bonus method for you to work from the comfort of your home and get paid. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the first place or first website where you can work at home now in 2019. Okay, so my first website where you can go ahead and find jobs, work at home jobs from the comfort of your home is called careers.enterprise.com. Right, and I'm gonna leave the links to each of these places where you can apply to work from the comfort of your home. This specific website here is actually to apply for people that are located in the US. I do have some other methods and some other websites that you can actually really work from anywhere outside of the US and Canada too. So just keep watching. All right, so I see that Enterprise here, as you can see, has some positions available for people that want to work from the comfort of the homes. One of the positions are actually called, so for call centers. As you can see, what I did, or what you can do when you go there, simply go to search jobs up here, right? And then you can type in call centers work from home, right? Those are the main positions they have available. You can put your zip code on there. You can put the state where you're in. This is for U.S. People that are in the U.S. right now. If you're outside of the U.S. or Canada, stay tuned. I got a website. I got all the jobs that you can apply for outside of the states. So, but for now, this is careers.enterprise.com located in the U.S. and as you can see, there's jobs here that you can work from the comfort of your home, as a regular person full-time. So once you sign up, let me click on one very quick. Let's say if you need a job and you want to work as a reservation sales representative, you just want to click on one of these right here, and you can apply for it. This is for Roswell, New Mexico. Basically, this job here pays $13 per hour, right? So you get paid by the hours. This is for employees who meet monthly sales goals, of course. And it tells you what you can expect from this job. So it says the average representative in this role earns $250 per month, commission pay, with their top performing agents earning 800 plus per month. Right, and again, this is from the comfort of your home. It tells you the responsibility, the schedule requirements. So it says to best serve the needs of their customers, the remote reservation sales team is available until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. They gotta be able to work in a assigned schedule that falls within their operating hours, right? So if you're right now at home, you're jobless and you don't want to leave your house, you want to work there, you want to be close to your loved ones, this is a good job to get. This is a good job to find. It pays pretty well. There's some other responsibilities here, so I'm not gonna go too much to it because I don't want to make this video super long, but I want to just give you an idea that you can work from the comfort of your home if you want to, if you qualify. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people qualify for this job. The qualification is simple here. You must live in that state. This is for New Mexico. They got other positions in other states. You must currently live in the state, right? Or surrounding area. You have to have 1 year sales experience in a performance or commission-based or metric-driven environment. Your minimum of 6 months customer service experience. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people have that. If you're good with people, if you customer service oriented, you like helping people out, this job would definitely be for you. And that's again that's on enterprise careers.enterprise.com. Okay, you can search for other jobs, but for now this is the one that you can do work from home. And all you got to do is just go to the search for a job here, type a keyword, work from home jobs, then put your location on there, or the state where you're in, and boom, start applying for these jobs right here. Next website, it's a website, it's for Philips. So all you do is go to careers.philips.com, and it says here, don't just accept a job, accept a career you never knew was possible. All right. Again, this one is worldwide. Not all the countries in the world, but they have some countries here like Africa, Asia Pacific, China. You can apply if you're in Germany, France, Great Britain, etc. So you can go here and you can see what countries, if you're in the Philippines, for example, you can choose Philippines, but you can come in here and apply. I'm pretty sure they have work at home jobs as well. You can work from the comfort of your home, doing call centers or whatever they have available. You can also become a student and be trained by Philips. So this is a very highly recognized brand. Philips. They make TVs, they make radios, they make all kinds of stuff, and you can apply and really get some good insights on that, and work from the comfort of your home, right? So yeah, go there, go to careers.philips.com. They're hiring, and just pick your country. Right now I got selected North America. Um, and yeah, that's if you go in there, just become part of the team, and again, you can work from the comfort of your home. The next website I want to recommend is MasterCard, right? MasterCard dot, this is the US, right? Just go to MasterCard dot US and apply, right? You can apply for MasterCard, and helping people get good rates for MasterCard, right? Um, they are actually an inclusive, equal employment opportunity employer, and it considers applicants without regard to gender identity, sexual orientation, race, ethnicity, disabled or veteran status, or any other characteristic protected by law. So they don't discriminate. In other words, so you want to go to Mastercard.us, and apply. You can do that. Again, they also have several positions here that you can actually do it from the comfort of your home. Simply go here, apply today, and it just says you want to defend against global cyber threats, empower the digital economy. Join the cybersecurity talent, so you can become a cybersecurity person, and you can do it. I'm pretty sure you can do it remotely, and they're hiring across the globe. So they're not only in the U.S., they're actually hiring in a lot of parts of the world. Just showing you the map right here: Africa, Europe, U.S., South America, Australia, Philippines. There's a lot of job offers globally. And if you're ready to relaunch your career, or you're ready to just make some extra cash, or certain income from the comfort of your home, you can go ahead and go here and simply apply and see what they have available for you. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can land a pretty good job. You can receive, if you decide to get trained, right? You can receive with the opportunity up to $75,000 in student loan assistance, right? So basically, they're gonna help you getting your education. Um, you can check out what they do up here. You can simply go in there and apply and see what they have. And they have a return to work program as well. They got some internships. If you know MasterCard, they're a highly recognized brand. You can apply, to work with them. All right. So with that being said, those are my 3 recommended websites that you can or jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home and apply, and they pay hourly. They have some jobs available now in 2019 as you're watching this video. Now that I'm done sharing with you through website, let me provide you with a bonus way for you to work at home, work from the comfort of your home and earn limited income. There's a process for that. There's different things that I do. The first thing is basically simply driving traffic, and what I do is that I actually sell other people's products on the internet. I place some ads, and but without having to sell. Why? Is because you know the different type of programs that I affiliate myself with, that I partner with, they have systems in place that really do all the telling and selling on your behalf. So all you do is just place ads on the internet, drive traffic of people that are going to benefit from those, training courses and digital products, and you get paid, commissions. And these commissions are not little commissions. And let me show you an example. So I make income from the comfort of my home, and other people in my, that are actually doing this are actually getting paid as well. Let me show you a screenshot of one of our, members. His name is Jay. This guy right here, his name is Jay. Good guy, great guy, Jay Brown. And as you can see, there are some earnings here. This is how much he has made in just one day, right? This is just how much he has made in this one particular system that I'm currently using. And don't worry, I'm going to leave a link below to give you access to that, so I'm going to mention that in a bit. But this is actually his stats, right? And it's crazy. So he just keeps, making this income the same way I do it. He just simply driving traffic into our website. And the way that he's making this type of money is because this a specific company has a sales team that does all the sales on his behalf, of high ticket products. I'm talking about digital products that really helps people learn how to, be successful online. You're actually helping businesses market on the internet. You're giving people education and growing, and helping them grow by simply driving traffic and getting people access to these products, right, and this training. So there's a training available that's going to show you how you can start earning this type of money on the internet. Now, to disclaim, just because it's making this amount of money, or because I'm making any type of money, doesn't mean that you will make a lot of money. Like, if you sit and do nothing, it's not gonna, it's not going to produce. Like, if you don't go to a job and work, if you don't show up, you're not gonna get paid. Same idea here. If you don't put the work in, you're not getting paid, right? So that's pretty much self-explanatory. But if you put effort, if you follow the training, you're going to be assigned a business advisor. You're going to be assigned a coach, or a person that's going to show you, how to do it. But again, all he's doing, I'm just giving you his example. All he's doing is basically driving traffic into a website that the company, this specific company, gives him for free, just because, for getting involved with the company. So I'm the same way. So I partner up with a company. They give me websites. All I got to do is place ads on the internet to drive traffic into those websites, and then the system does all the conversions on my behalf. The system, does the telling and selling on my behalf, and then there's a sales team available that's going to help, that's going to introduce this person to the different products that they can access and get, benefit from. Okay, so that's my bonus right there. I mean, you can go and apply for the jobs that I spoke about, but if you're looking to making real income, in your own time, being your own boss, right, setting your own hours and setting your own paycheck, there's no limitations to how much you can earn. I highly recommend this program, this specific program. I'm going to leave you a link. So that first link in the description below, that says my #1 recommendation. Go ahead and click that link to learn more about what I do and what Jay does to make a full-time income from anywhere in the world. You can do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop. You need a internet connection or a smartphone, and that's about it. And then set up your system, right? So once you go through the process, click that link, fill out the details, and you will have all the information you need on how to get started in, with this company. This company pays pretty well, as you can see. It pays me pretty well too. I just like sharing other people's examples, so that it's not only me, getting results. There's other people getting results too with this company, and the results that people are getting are actually, they're incredible. But again, as an income disclaimer, I can't guarantee that you will make the same results because I don't know what type of person you are. You know, if you put in the work, you will get results. If you just sit down and do nothing, you're not gonna get results. Just like if you have a job, like this work at home jobs I shared, if you don't show up for those jobs, you're not gonna get paid because you gotta do the work. So, in order for you to, you know, earn income in this, you got to put in the work. There's training available, and I promise you, if you follow the training and follow what your business advisor tells you to do, the techniques are going to teach you. Trust me, you are going to, you know, get results, right? Because there's a proven system, there's a proven model that works, and that's what has worked for me and Jay. All right, so go ahead and click that. If you want to learn more about this that I'm showing you right here in this video, go ahead and click that first link in the description. It's my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income from the comfort of your home. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I'm going to be sharing some other you know, videos where I show you, you know, how you can earn money from the comfort of your home, or how you can, what kind of jobs are available for you. So you can just sit at home and really be there close to your loved ones, or, you know, whatever reason you want to work from home for, make that a reality. Okay, so again, this is Michael Cruz, and for now, hasta la pasta.